Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, NP Bikes, and welcome to my first video. For my first video, I'm doing a kind of initial impressions and review of the Foundation Elite Bike Toolkit. I just got this toolkit for my birthday a couple days ago, and I have not used it on any bikes yet. All I did was went in there and take off all the plastic on all the tools and put them right back as they were. So as you see it when I open it is how it comes minus the plastic it's wrapped in. But I figured I would do a review on this because it was a pretty good price for everything it includes. As of right now, in August of 2022, it is, I believe, $108, and you get a lot of tools, and yeah, let's get into it. So it's like a plastic tool kit here, the box. As you open it up, you can see it comes with a couple wrenches. I believe this is probably like a dust cap remover, what I would imagine is a bottom bracket tool or something like that. 3 tire levers, which are plastic, but they're pretty hard plastic. You can never have enough tire levers. I always find myself putting them in whatever bike I'm riding. A crank remover tool, which I may be wrong, but I believe you can take this top part off, and that helps it work better with square taper tools or square taper cranks. So it should work for a lot of bikes, newer and older. A tire patch kit, which I will probably not keep in here. I'll probably just put in one of my handlebar bags. Some spoke wrenches. This is the handle of the chain scrubber tool, which is all the way on the bottom. And then a screwdriver, some Torx, a couple Torx or a T25, and let's see, a chain checker. Yep, cool. And a chain checker tool. And everything so far except the dust cap wrench and the tire levers have been made out of metal, which is awesome, and it's somewhat substantial metal as well. All right, let's go to the next kit. I kind of laughed out loud when I saw the size of these hex keys. I mean, this 10mm one is just cartoonish, and the 1.5mm one is so skinny. It just made me laugh. But yeah, these are metal too, and they're plenty long, so you'll be able to get plenty torque on them, which is great for really stubborn stuff. Let's see, this is like a cassette, like a brush, to clean up your cassettes and freewheels, all the chain rings, stuff like that. Guessing this is a bottom bracket wrench tool as well. Rubber handles that are kind of slippery, not the most incredible grip on them, but I like that they're rubber because if something's really stuck, you could whack it with a mallet and help it get loosened up. Bunch of cone wrenches, 13 through 18, I believe, through 19 actually. And these are nice. These are nice and slim. Not too bulky. Again, rubber grips, but made out of metal. And then a chain breaker tool, which is, yeah, pretty heavy as well. So far I'm really happy with just the heft behind all these tools. Let's go to, this is the final level of it all. We have a chain whip here. And let's see. Pedal wrench, perhaps? Cable cutter. There's a spring on this one, which I really like. And then a cassette tool. And probably, yeah, something with splines. I don't know, we'll figure it out when we get there. And then these big old things, probably for headsets or something. But those are really heavy. I'm not thrilled with they're just like kind of rough. Not rough like it's gonna scrape you, but I'm just not, the finish on this feels kind of weird. And then our chain scrubber tool. So yeah, that is everything that comes in the Foundation Elite bike toolkit. I have a lot of these tools already. Oh, one more thing to mention. On the side of this top part here, there is a ruler in millimeters and then in inches on this side, which is kind of cool. So you can get just a quick rough measurement. But yeah, I have duplicates of a lot of these tools already, and most of them are Park Tool or Pedro's, which are like, from what I have gathered so far in my bike maintenance journey, are the two big go-to brands, especially Park Tool. So yeah, I will be interested to see how these hold up compared to the other ones. And yeah, I will probably be adding a set of calipers to this toolkit, and let's see, what else would I probably, off the top of my head right now, the only things I would add would be calipers,